This is an Awesome Angel 125 on YouTube production, starring Julia Yelps, Draculaura, Halloween Wolf, Laguna Blue, and last but not least, the doll that I just got, Abby Abominable. The video will now begin. And just to be clear, not stop motion. Sorry, it's so dark. Yeah, I'm pretty tired. Okay. Howleen, it's time to wake up. Howleen, it is time to wake up. Why? 'Cause we are going to be late for school. Today is March 17th. St. Patrick's Day? No! You have to go to school. Headmistress Blackwood said so. Even if that means going in March. But that's the most bad day for monsters. Please, how bad could it be? Let's go. Where's your bag? I left it at home by mistake. Well, you're not allowed to bring bags, she said, unless you're in the dance class. Well, then that's me. Let's go. At the school, Julia was on the computer doing some research. And to be clear, this is Monster High Part 1. To be continued, because I have to use the restroom. So, to be continued.